Alright, so 13 asks us, what is the y-intercept? Well, remember our equation that we got from the last video was y equals 8x plus 28. Sorry. So in the y equals mx plus b equation, this b right here, this 28, is the y coordinate of our y-intercept. Remember, the y-intercept is always 0, a number. So what does that mean? It means that the charge would be $28 for the setup fee. So, you know, if you didn't order any shirts, but you just set things up, that would be $28. And then they asked us to graph the equation. So you'll notice how I did my scale, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And at first I tried to go up by 50s here, but that didn't work out. I wouldn't have enough of my quantities on the scale. So I went up by hundreds, and this, of course, down here is 0. Well, we know we have 0, 28, so this is 20, 40, 20, what the heck? Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is 50, and then this is 25. So 25, 50, 75, 100. There we go. Sorry about that. So the 0, 28 would be about right there. And then we also had the 20, 188. So this would be about 175 here. So let's do the 188 there. And the 25 to 28. 228 would be about right there. And if you'd like, you could find another point to make sure we're all right. So y equals 8 times, let's try 10 plus 28. So it's 80 plus 20. That should be 28. There we go. Let's fix that. Okay, 108. So I should have the point 10, 108. Got there eventually, didn't we? So 10 and the 108 would be about right there. I think we did pretty well. Okay, so there's our line. Now they asked how much would 35 shirts cost. It's a little bit early in the morning when I'm doing this video. I probably need to wake up or something. So our equation was y equals 8 times, now these shirts was the input, so 35 plus 28. And that gives us $308. And then they ask us how many shirts would you order if you wanted to spend at most $500. So we don't want to spend any more than $500. So here's our inequality. So let's subtract 28 from both sides. So we have 8x is less than or equal to 472. Divide both sides by 8. I get x is less than or equal to 59. So you could order at most 59 shirts. All right, so that's it.